Take a ride in the 2016 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, traction control, stability control, backup camera, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, fog lamps, power door locks, MP3 player, child safety locks. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.